What's going on, everybody? My name is Kels and I smell really good. And let's go on another little rack store trip, guys. Come along, come along. So here we are starting off. Valentino Born in Roma Green Extravaganza. Way too expensive, man. $99.99. I would have grabbed it if it was probably like $70, $69.99, something like that. Taxing too much, man. This is a TJ Maxx I don't go in too often. They usually don't have a whole lot, to be honest. I've noticed a lot of TJ Maxx's right now have that Bulgari man right there. I think it's Teray Essence. A lot of them have that one. So if you're interested in that, go check. It is overpriced though. About to pop in this Burlington real quick. Been hearing some rumblings of teriyaki intense from Latafa. I've been holding out to find that at a rack store, so we'll see. Now this is my second favorite Burlington, probably. I only have a few around me. It's not my number one favorite. Ooh, there's something interesting though. Yeah, that's an interesting one. Yeah, it ain't my favorite Burlington, but it's decent. They usually don't have as much selection as my number one Burlington, but they're not bad. I remember having this F Black back in the day. That thing is too peppery for me, man. Like, it smells alright, it's just a little too peppery. Here's an interesting one. I've never seen it before. It was a Maison Alhambra women's. I believe it's a Valentino Donna dupe. Well, I didn't find the teriyaki intense like I was looking for, but I found something arguably just as good that I've been looking for forever. So, ooh. Yeah, really good find. I've actually been looking for this thing forever. Alright guys, so as you guys saw, I went to a few different rack stores, man. I went to like Burlington, Ross. Typical stuff I usually always go to. I have pretty much every rack store near me. I have a Burlington, or I have a couple Burlingtons. I have a couple TJ Maxx's, a couple Marshalls, stuff like, or only one Marshalls, I think. Got pretty much everything around me. I tend to hit the Burlington more than anything. That's my favorite spot. That's where I go more than any of the others. But I did find a fragrance that I've actually been looking for a long time. And I knew I would find it at a rack store eventually, so we're gonna get into that. But before we do, guys, if you guys want to try any fragrance in my collection, go to my website, kelsmells.com. And also, if you're not subscribed to the channel and you like fragrance content, please consider giving me a sub. Let's go ahead and get into it. The fragrance that I did find, guys, Honor and Glory from Latafa. Now, I knew I would find this eventually, man. I had heard that people were finding it at Burlington's. I mean, you pretty much find every Latafa at Burlington nowadays. I have found the body spray and stuff like that there. Just never found the actual bottle. I've been keeping my eyes peeled for this one now for quite a while. I've really been looking out for this one. Makes a little sound. That's kind of interesting. It's like glued on there. We'll go ahead, give it a couple sprays. Pretty good atomizer. It already smells better. I will say, when I first got this, man, it's only been a couple days, but when I grabbed this, I opened it and I blasted it on me, and I was thinking, this smells kind of off. Like, because I've smelled this fragrance before. I love the way this one smells. For some reason, when I put this on in my car, it was off-putting. I don't know. I put it on my hand too. I sprayed it in the air. It was kind of hurting my nostrils. Like, it smelled pretty chemically off. It didn't smell right. So I was like, this thing needs to macerate. Not really sure what happened, but it already smells better. It's really a nice smelling fragrance, man. It's one of those things, somebody catches a whiff of you in the air, they're gonna be like, whoa, like, that smells really good. I already did get a compliment on this the first time I wore it, so that just tells you something right there. But what you're gonna get with this fragrance, if you haven't already smelled it, you're gonna get this pineapple note, okay? It's like a pineapple, cakey, there's creme brulee, you're going to get this, honestly smells like a pineapple cake. Best way I could describe it. You get vanilla in there, and you get this Middle Eastern touch to it, like this spice. It definitely has like a Middle Eastern background going on, which comes out more in the dry down. You do get a lot more of that, the spicy Middle Eastern type of vibe. And that's really what it smells like, guys. It smells like a pineapple cake. It smells fantastic. Longevity wise, you know, obviously it's a brand new bottle. This thing is gonna macerate for sure, and it's gonna smell a lot better when it does. I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you that. As far as like longevity now for me, I smell this on my arm for a long time. 8 hours. I'd give it, I'm just gonna clock it over 8 hours. It clocks in around the 8 hour mark for me. Probably honestly lasts longer than that. Obviously we don't need to talk about this, but the presentation wise, comes in this nice little regular thing. And I was hyped to find it. I was glad when I finally found it. Actually, when I was going in there, I was looking for Teriyaki Intense, which is another fantastic fragrance. That might be one of my favorite Latafas, honestly. Just want to find it at the rack store. I know I could just buy it on Amazon or something, but I just kind of wanted to find it at the rack store too. So that's the next one I'm trying to get. But pleasant surprise that I found at my Burlington. You guys go out there and check. It's probably definitely at other ones as well if it's at mine. So, honor and glory. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in, man. That's going to be it for tonight. Once again, before I get out of here, I want to try any fragrance in my collection, kelsmells.com. If you like fragrance content, please consider dropping a sub. And if you want to keep smelling really good, make sure you keep tuning in.
Designer on my neck, in my hands now. Put Versace on my neck, ears bust down.